This conference will now be recorded.
Hi guys, good morning. This is SonicR Mastery team. Okay, we are on week number 31. It is around 30th of July 2019. It's around 11 a.m. in the morning. Okay, as you can see, we have a lot of item coming up this week. All right, as you already know, we have been sort of like informing you guys about regarding about the importance of this week, especially on the on this on Wednesday, right? We have a FOMC item coming up. Okay. Of course, other than that, we also have other items such as like BOG item will be here today in a while later. At the same time, we will be having a British pound rate decision as well. So we have quite a lot of item coming up for the whole week. And of course, last but not least, we will be having a non-farm payroll by Friday as well. So put it this way, apart from yesterday and today onward, it's gonna be very busy week. So I mean, of course, there's money can be made, and at the same time, there's money can be lost as well. So I want you to go with a plan. Whatever you do, either you take a long position or a short position of any particular pairs. Please make sure you go with a plan, and you execute as per plan. All right, because it may work, it may not work, but at least you know what you're doing, right? Because if you don't have any prepared items, right, you will get lost in the market movement because market will swing, then you will get emotional and you will make more mistake and stuff like that. All right, so please watch it out for this week. It's gonna be quite impact one as well. So let's talk a little bit about Federal Reserve item coming up. Okay, apparently it looks like the whole market is already priced in for a like a 0.25 the rate cut, the 25 basic point rate cut. So it's like if if the market only cut 25, right, as I just mentioned, or if they don't cut at all, okay, I think the stock market in particular, they may make a big rush downward. Okay, so please watch out for that. This is one potential scenario. Or another on another side, all right, if they cut and they cut it more than 25, which is like 0.5, right, and that means they are aggressively cutting. If you notice, especially American president, right, he is pushing or he is forcing the Fed chairman to cut it up. So it's like we have to know, we have to see how he behaves, because of course Trump want him to cut aggressively. So we cannot throw away the potential of cutting aggressively as well. Just now I mentioned, either 25 or no cut, right? The market might be either sideways or it will come down because of that. It's already somehow priced in already. Okay. On another thing is that if they cut very aggressively, then I think the market might make a very big new high for gold, new high for like silver. I mean, whatever current price that they are going in right now, they can go all the way up, and of course for the stock market, they can go up as well. Okay, if if um if they make it if they cut aggressively. So of course we will find out. Currently, as you can see, the whole market is waiting, right? The whole market is waiting for the news. That's why for the past few weeks, they are doing nothing much, right? So at the moment now, you are looking at gold at the moment. Currently there are a few levels that I want you to tell you again, right? 14.25, which is the current nearly to the current region. Another level will be 14.40, and of course the strong one will be 14.50. And as of now, I do not think they will be broken up easily as well. Let's say if the rate cut is minimal or it doesn't cut at all, they might do a last final swing up. I mean, like, when they say no cut or 0.25, the market will go up just to come back down sooner or later. So I think this scenario is very likely to happen. So it's for us to find out. Okay, if there's no cut at all or it's only a small cut, I think the gold can make a minor pullback for a time being. Okay, don't get me wrong on the gold, making a gold bearish analysis. In the long run, market stay very bullish on gold. Okay, it's just that what I'm saying is that it's just that they should be making a decent pullback until to the certain strong support level, then it will resume their uptrend. Okay, so I kind of like want to tell that they might not be going up 1450 level anytime soon already in the near future for now. Okay, eventually they will go up higher, but for now 1450 will be a very strong resistance. Okay, so please mark my word on that. Of course, I can be wrong, and let's see how it goes. All right. Another one is British pound. Okay, as you know, British pound, there wasn't any, any like data, but there was because of the, because of the political situation, British pound is making a dive right now. So as you can see from the price action point of view, the market is they are nowhere to be bullish about. All right, but of course, as the market start to dive strongly, of course, they also have a very high chance of rebound strongly as well, because everything is based on emotion. You got what I mean? Because there was a potential hard raising only potential, right? So everything is based on emotion. So that's why when they dive big, they can rebound big as well. So I want you to know that you are taking risks on the either direction as well. Of course, if you ask me, going long at the moment will carry a bigger risk, because of course there is no price action to support any long position at the moment. Okay, so this on my British pound. Okay, another one is Euro USD. Euro USD look not so bad, all right, compared to the rest. They are being supported well after the Draghi announcement. If you follow our Telegram, you will know that we are sort of like expecting some sort of pullback last week, right? So they make a very nice swing up, swing down, and they make a nice pullback at the moment. Currently, they are being stopped, or they are being hold nearly at a very good resistance level, which is around 1.114. I expect the market may need to break out again to push up higher at the moment. So there's a high chance of coming back down as well. This is what I'm trying to say. But there's a breakout coming in with a very decent volume to support the claim. I think they can go up to 1.115, 1.119 level sooner or later, in my opinion. So let's see how it goes. Yesterday candle was quite promising. All right, we have a bullish candle with a pin on the below and stuff like that. So to me, it's a pretty decent bullish candle, in my opinion. Okay, and of course, last but not least, I would like to talk about Dow Jones. Right, remember I have been talking about the Dow Jones regard to the rate decision. Again, if the rate cut small, they cut small, or they don't cut at all, the market will go up as a last big swing up, then eventually they will come back down. You see, market have been going up in the healthy manner, that doesn't mean that they will go up in a parabolic manner all the time. So you can see they also have a high chance of coming back down to this sort of like this uptrend line, which is somewhere around 26,500 level as well. So let's say the rate cuts more or doesn't cut at all, I think this US market will make a pullback for a time being. In the longer run, they may still have more upsides to go, but if the no cut or small cut, I think the small pullback will be along the way, in my opinion. All right, so let's find out. So don't get overexposed on your position. Know what you are doing at the moment, because we are in a very critical week, in my opinion. I think even for the whole past July August period. All right, because this week gonna be very important. So don't get all in and stuff like that. Because of course you can make a lot of money, but of course in the flip side, it can drain a lot of your from your portfolio as well. Okay. So thank you very much, and I see you guys next week. All right, look out for our Telegram channel, and we will post up our regular update as well. You can look in the Telegram channel or Telegram apps. You type in Sonic's Trader, so NICTRADERX, right? So you will be X for Superman, by the way. You will see our update regularly for free. Okay, thank you.
I will be talking about two Canadian pairs. The first one will be US dollar to Canadian dollars. So as the structure, you can see we are still pretty bearish. So what I'm seeing is that price has started to make a higher high, which could be the start of a up move. However, of course, a clear break of this resistance level at the 1.317 has to, a clear break with a candle closing as a bullish candle above this 1.317 would then give me a reason to enter a long position should price retrace back into this 1.315. So for this pair and for this week, I'll be waiting for a price action to close above this level first before I look to long this. Otherwise, I would say we are still in resistance level, and it's better to look for a short rather than a long. Okay, up next, Euro to Canadian, which also have the same analysis as US dollar to Canadian dollars. For this pair, right now, we are still in a resistance level. However, should price to close above 1.47, this is where I'll be looking to long it when it retraces back into this zone, which will then be acting as a support level. So for both US dollar to Canadian US dollars to Canadian dollars and Euro dollars to Canadian dollars, it is a break of certain level first before I'll be looking to long this pair. All right, otherwise this trade setup would then be invalid. All right, so I wish you guys all the best. Thank you for watching and see you guys next week. All right, goodbye.